Hello guys, how are you and welcome to another video of Future Innovators. And today also we are going to see how to make a better website part 2. So let's get started. Um, okay, so let's continue. Continue. I will go on to the folder and search where our YouTube tutorials file is located. So yes, it is here. Let's open our file. First, let me open the text editor, that is this editor. Okay, it is getting open. Okay, now it's getting open. It will take a few seconds. So let's cancel this page off, this tab, and our project is located right here. Yes, here we are. All the code is nice and tidy here as always. And now let's go on and open our index.html. So we are opening our index.html. So our website is getting loaded. For now it's better to call web page. Oh yes, now here we are. Here we are. So the gallery images is nice and tidy up there. So our gallery images are nice, tidy up there. Background images there, and video is also there nicely, and about our about section is also there in white text and in a box container. So we will now. So everything is nice. So we'll go in our editor and guys, if you are unable to see any of my code uh, by some thing, if you are unable to see my code text here, you can just pause the video and then you will be able to see it clearly. Or if it's clear, you can just see it just like that. But if it is not coming clearly, you can pause the video and you can see the code bit by bit. So let's get started. Now our images, our gallery images was there, our background image is there in gradient, and our about section is there. So we will go in our editor and see the rest of the things. So let me zoom it on. We don't want the video to be long, so let's continue coding. So and now next we will see our how to make let us add one icon here. So let me check if I have the CDN. So I don't have the font awesome CDN, so I will have to include the font awesome CDN in my web page. So let me go to Google. I think the two pages are here. Okay, let's go to Google and let's type font awesome. Font awesome icons, and we will go to the font awesome website here on the first link. So here we are, and another tab to get the CDN. uh, yes, font awesome CDN. So actually, guys, many of us use font awesome CDN and use it, and then come here and then put a link href um, and a rel style sheet href is equals to this font of CDN here, but actually it's not that like that. Actually it has to be in the CSS. So we'll go here and just in the top, if you want to get the HTML, you can see here HTML. Just under that, this HTML link is there, code to connect. So we'll go down in the style sheet and then we'll type at the rate, sorry, there's another window open, at the rate import. So and then brackets, semicolon, and then in double quotations, and let's check if we have that. So now let's search our icon. Let's search for So what icon should we put here? So our about us, so let's get profile. So if we have the profile, let's use the user circle, and let's go back here, and in our index.html, so here it is, our user circle, and it is white, which is not what we wanted. So let's find a suitable color for this. So we'll go to our css file. So the class name for that is fa user circle. So color will be white, I mean color will be, so let's go to the online color picker. Color picker. So here we are in the online color picker. Let's pick the color, which yes, let's make it black. That is what we are wanting. Or let's make it a bit gray. And now we will paste our color, and refresh, so it's blending it with that color. Let's make it a whole black instead. That will not match the background, so it will be visible to us. And let's increase the font size if you so that we can see clearly. font size, font size, why is this not increasing? So here we have at last increased that, which took a bit time. Uh, Now, so let's go on to our next section. I hope this is big enough, or I can make it yet more big, and then we'll move on. Yes, let's move on. So now after creating that section, which didn't have much bigger about content, um, so let's continue. So now which section we are creating? Now the section which we are creating tells about the services which YouTube provides. Actually, not services. Let's say uh, videos, latest videos. So latest video section. Now we will write So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. So now we will write section. So section tag is also created with now we will add the class of section class of um, latest videos so small. Now let's take a div. Let's take a div with the class of video icons, and below that below that video video small description. And here, as this is saying video icons, so let's go to the Font Awesome website and let's search for video play. Video play, play circle. Play will be used for, or let's say watch. Yes, so we will use this. So let's copy this and let's put a VR tag before that. Save. and then hmm, so just a minute. So guys, at last, yes. So guys, at last, I got the icons. But this time I got only two. Let's see. Let's go ahead and video icons. If a background color will be white. So background will be black. For this thing, we will put the background for nothing. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you that I'm using live reload, which is live server. You can enable live server by going into your Visual Studio Editor and uh, by going into your Visual Studio Editor, coming on the extensions tab and then search for live server. So live server is here in this one. I have already installed and enabled it. So if you enable it and then you will see uh, this option when you right click. Just so let's give the font size for this also. Font size for this also 45 pixels. So let's see the result, and yes, it's there. Now let's put the margin right for the video icons class. So video icons is margin right. We will give this margin right value of 5 pixels. And last thing, let's give it a title, and let's add some BR tag also. So let's give it a BR tag here too. Okay, it is more readable now in the editor. However, this change will not make any difference there. Uh, so it's more readable here. I mean, it's more, yes. Uh, so here we have completed our video description section. Yes, I forgot to style this, so we will style this now. Just a minute, guys. I will put the charging plug for my laptop here. So it's so guys, let's go ahead and style the video description. Yeah, video small description. Video small description. So we have typed this, and then let's put padding right. Padding right 33 pixels, and then padding left padding left uh, is 33 pixels. uh, Nothing, guys, just remembering a joke, that's why. uh, uh, and then let's save this and go ahead and refresh. What? Yes, good. So here our section is complete. Just one thing is left, that is to give the title of latest videos. Here's the title. So let's copy this and paste. Copy and copied and pasted the. So H1, paste this, and that's it. Let's check it out. Oh yes, I had not included this in the section. So yes, let's break the lines so we can uh, separate the icons and yes, yes. So here we are on our latest video section also. We will continue to do the same thing over and over again, and yes, pretty much that's it. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share. So that's it for now, and goodbye.